10 videos, all faceless, all made using AI tools, $0 in production budget. And I tracked every single metric from day one. Here's the part nobody tells you. 5 of them flopped, badly. And figuring out why is what turned the second half of this experiment around completely. In this video, I'm sharing the actual results, the views, the watch time, the click-through rates, what worked, what didn't, and the 3 specific changes that made the biggest difference. No highlight reel, the full picture. Welcome back to Getting Paid Community, where you will get everything YouTube related and where we keep it honest. Today is a case study. If you are building a faceless channel or thinking about starting one, the data in this video is going to save you months of trial and error. Let's get into it. Here's exactly what I did. I picked a focused niche, YouTube monetization tips for beginners, and committed to making 10 videos using only AI tools. The stack: Claude for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceover, Pexels for footage, DaVinci Resolve for editing, Canva for thumbnails. All free or very low cost. Total spend for the entire experiment, under $10. Each video ran between 8 and 12 minutes, the sweet spot for watch time accumulation and eventual mid-roll ad placement. I published 2 videos per week, and I spent roughly 2 hours per video from blank page to upload. Here's what I measured: views per video, average view duration, click-through rate, subscribers gained, and total watch hours across all 10. 4 numbers, 10 videos, 90 days. I'm going to be honest with you. The first 5 videos were underwhelming. Video 1, 2.8% click-through rate, 38% average view duration. Not catastrophic, but not good either. And here's what confused me at first. The 38% retention told me the content was actually holding attention reasonably well once people clicked. The script wasn't the problem. The pacing wasn't the problem. The problem was that almost nobody was clicking. Videos 2, 3, and 4 showed the exact same pattern. Retention hovering between 35 and 42%. Click-through rate stuck under 3%. Views flat. I went back and looked at my thumbnails side by side, and the issue was immediately obvious. They were text heavy. Too many words competing for attention. Poor contrast. At the size, a thumbnail actually appears in someone's feed, about 120 pixels wide. You couldn't read a single thing on them. So going into video 5, I tried something different. Instead of packing in text, I went with a single bold number as the dominant element. 1 big dollar figure. 3 words of supporting text. That's it. Click-through rate on video 5, 5.4%. Same niche, same script quality, same voiceover. Nearly double the clicks from 1 change to the thumbnail. The lesson from the first half: your thumbnail is doing at least 50% of the work, and a weak thumbnail makes a strong video completely invisible. Going into video 6 through 10, I made 3 specific changes. Change 1, a thumbnail template, not a new thumbnail for each video, a system. Same 2 colors, same font, same layout structure. 1 bold number or short phrase as the dominant element, always in the same position. Average click-through rate across videos 6 to 10, 6.1%, up from 2.8. The template mattered more than any individual design choice because returning viewers started recognizing my videos in their feed before they even read the title. Change 2, rewriting the hooks. I rewrote the opening 30 seconds of every remaining script. Instead of opening with, "In this video I'm going to cover," I led with a result, a surprising fact, or a problem the viewer was already feeling. Average view duration went from 39% to 54%. That is an enormous jump, and YouTube felt it immediately. Videos with 54% retention got pushed to substantially more people than videos with 39% from the same starting audience. Change 3, keyword first topic selection. For the first 5 videos, I picked topics based on what I thought people wanted to know. For videos 6 through 10, I ran keyword research in vidIQ first and only recorded topics with verified search volume and manageable competition. Views from search went up significantly, which meant less dependence on the algorithm deciding to push me and more consistent baseline traffic from people actively looking for what I'd made. Here's how the 10 videos performed overall. Videos 6 through 10 outperformed videos 1 through 5 on every single metric. Not marginally, substantially. The back half of the experiment generated more views in its first 30 days than the front half did in 90. Total watch hours across all 10 videos by day, 90. Ahead of pace for the 4,000 hour monetization target for a channel at this stage. Subscriber growth was heavily concentrated. The majority came from videos 7 and 9, the 2 that had the strongest combination of all 3 changes working together. Keyword validated topic, template thumbnail, and a rewritten hook. The 3 best performers all shared the exact same DNA. Research topic, bold, single element thumbnail. Opening that led with a surprising fact instead of a topic statement. And the worst performer, video 3, posted without keyword research with a text-heavy thumbnail. It got fewer views in 90 days than video 9 got in its first 48 hours. Same effort, same tools, same niche, completely different outcome. If I were starting this experiment again from scratch, here's what changes. I'd build the thumbnail template before video 1, not after video 5. Those early videos are what every new viewer and every algorithm test sees first. Launching without a visual system means your first 10 uploads are working at a permanent disadvantage. I'd research keywords before writing every script. Topic first, keyword second is backwards. Keyword first, then topic, then script. That order alone would have fixed video 3, and I'd post shorts from day 1. I didn't repurpose any of these 10 videos into shorts during the experiment, and looking back, that was the single biggest missed opportunity. The best 60 seconds of each video was sitting right there and could have been driving new subscribers back to the long form content the entire time. 10 videos. Real data. Here are the 3 things I'd want you to take away. Thumbnails matter more than you think, probably more than the content itself in the early stages. Hooks determine your retention more than anything in the middle of the video. And keyword first topic selection is the difference between a video that finds an audience and one that just sits there. Pick one of those 3 and fix it on your next upload, not all 3. 1. If you want the full breakdown of the thumbnail system I built during this experiment, that video is coming up next in this series. Drop a like if this was useful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you there.